Hello, my name is Chima Tadpadia and I am a matchmaker from Mumbai. Today I am going to help Miss Chopsy Pandong to find a suitable boy.
Suitable boys in BBC na auntie.
Chopsy, you find a suitable boy who works in BBC.
No, auntie. I was talking about that BBC show. The suitable boy with Tabu into it. Tabu is such an original actress, auntie. I must tell you.
Oh, that. Even I am waiting for that show to come. And don't worry, you are also a good and a natural actor. And I'm so glad you don't copy Kareena Kapoor like Meryl Streep does. Let's come back to the topic. Tell me what kind of boy you prefer as a life partner.
Thank you for asking me, auntie. Actually, I'm looking for a guy who is, naturally good. Indian, of course. Someone who makes me so happy that, my skin starts glowing. He makes me feel beautiful and fill my life with a lot of confidence. Yeah, I think I'm looking for that kind of a guy, yeah.
Looks like Chopsy doesn't want a groom but a beauty product. Indian matchmaking is tough job.
Hey Chopsy and all the lovely girl arounds, you know what? You don't need a groom but a grooming kit. May not be a boy but a box. Yes, you would need this beautiful premium herbal body care edition Luho box. Something that is totally natural made in India, has products that will add glow to your skin, make you feel beautiful and fill you with lot of confidence from within. So wanna know what are different products you will get inside this special edition box? Let's check it out. So the very first product is this very beautiful looking face wash called Silk Splash, which has the goodness of neem and bitter orange and is good for all skin types. It comes inside this attractive pump kind of a bottle. Look, this is a very transparent kind of bottle. You can see the color, you can see the quantity. This is so glycerin like. It has a very mild, very neutral kind of a smell, something that you would love. The second product is this Petal Soft Anti-Tan Rose Pack with the goodness of Indian ginseng and licorice. It's quite a thick kind of a consistency over here. And this one has a very distinctive kind of fragrance I can't resist. Oh my god, it's a very beautiful rose kind of fragrance, almost the same fragrance that I used to have in one of my favorite body shower by L'Occitane, the rose body shower by L'Occitane. If you remember, I have spoken about it in one of my empties video. I'll put the link somewhere over here. A very enchanting rose kind of fragrance. I just cannot wait to try this one. The third product is this Bhringraj hair oil, which has the goodness of Bhringraj, Brahmi and Indian gooseberry, which is also known as Amla. This has no parabens, no mineral oil, and as we all know, Bhringraj is really good for hair. Like I had a certain Bhringraj oil which I used to use some time back. So now we have this interesting oil over here. So next one is that, how do we wash this oil off? I'm going to say if you are using an oil from a brand, it is always desirable to have the shampoo from the same brand. So the next product is shampoo. So the fourth product in my box is this beautiful looking 8-in-1 root nourishing Amla Neem shampoo. It comes inside this round plastic transparent bottle. You can see the content of the shampoo. You can see the color of the shampoo, and the green color looks very nice to me. The green color also signifies Amla, Neem, etc. And for a change, it's a nice different shampoo that I'm going to use. And if you're interested to know the individual review, do let me know. I so much wish if there was a conditioner also from the same brand. Nevertheless, if I like this product, maybe I would go and try the GH conditioner also. So the last product is something that I'm sure would interest all of you alike, men and women, because who doesn't like a good body wash? Yeah. So the last product is this beautiful looking Malabar lemongrass invigorating body shower gel over here. Look at this, again a transparent bottle. Wow, the list of ingredients sounds so much exotic, so much beautiful, and so much spa-like. These are the 5 different products you are going to receive in your premium herbal body care edition by Luho Box. Indeed, all of them, they sound, they look, and they feel quite interesting, quite good, rejuvenating. The beauty is that they have natural ingredients, they are made in India, and Just Herbs is quite a well-known brand in India, and I don't think I've tried many of their products, so I'm really kicked up to try this product. Especially I'll start with the face wash and the face pack soon. In case if you want to know the detailed review of any of the products, 1, 2 or all of them, do let me know. I'm definitely going to talk about them from time to time in my Instagram stories like I do for all different products, so I will include this also there. In case if you have a special request for 1 product, 2 product, I would be glad to review them as well. The cumulative cost is somewhere around rupees 2,900, 3,000, but hold your breath, that is the MRP of this product. This box will cost you just rupees 1450. Ain't that amazing? That's less than a cost of a haircut or maybe a facial in a decent salon, I must say. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, grab your Luho Box right now from their website. I will put the link also in the description box. You can also give this box to your friends, your family, your colleagues, whoever you want to send something but you're not able to meet during Corona times. 1400 rupees. So go ahead, try it, and if you want to share your feedback, let me know. I'll look forward to hear from you. Till next time, take care. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You're not subscribing, bye. So do subscribe to my channel. Groom or broom, I don't know, they are definitely a good part of life, but grooming is a constant part of life. Invest your time, your energy, and a little bit finances into good grooming, into reasonable grooming, rather than spending here and there, and see the results. Discuss with me. I'll so be happy to hear from you. Take care and ciao. Bye bye.